favourite. Unpacking, unboxing, boxes. We're going to empty these boxes and see what's in these boxes. There may be other boxes in this box. The funny thing is, I know what's all in these boxes, I just can't remember what's all in all these boxes. Let's find out what's inside this box. Well, obviously this is pretty straightforward. Window regulators for the front of the car, for the open air project. That's pretty cool. And one's the driver's side, one is the passenger side. Why am I looking down when I'm talking? Packaging, 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 packaging. Ooh. Wow, look at that. That is brand new, old stock ABF lower tongue block cover. This is going to be for a project that you will see in maybe a few weeks' time. It's one of my personal owned cars, and the project's never finished. And I really want the car. Spot on. This is going to help me sleep at night, knowing that I've got a fresh cover and it's not scratched. So yeah, you're going to see where that's going to go. Next, move on. A road bike. So hopefully the sound will be better than it is now when I pull my finger out and sort out the sound quality. Okay, another little jiffy bag. Paperwork, packaging, black pot rivets for the arches. Next, I think this is nice little key ring from Powerflex. So, rear beam bushes, Powerflex Black Race. These are rock hard. This is actually for the Bon Jovi project, because we're going to do an update with that. 5/100, wishbones, anti-roll bars, different wheels and tyre combination, and Powerflex bushes. So that's the next one. Moving along. This looks nice. I hope it's not broken. I hope it's not broken. EGR delete. Perfect. Nice aluminium, looks quite well made. It's an eBay special. I think it was all of £22, I think it was. It's also got a boost takeoff, it looks like. Pretty cool, got all the fittings and gubbins. Another box. I don't even know what's in this one. It's a bag with washers and nuts. This will give it away. ARP. I'm surprised it didn't come in the ARP box actually. I would have liked to have seen the ARP box. So shame on you, Black Forest Industry, or Dark Side Developments. Sorry. Shame on you, Dark Side Developments. No box. So ARP head studs. Okay, what's next? A 110 exhaust manifold. Because the 90s don't have a different flange, don't let you have all the options that you need to run different turbos, the VMT turbos. So I sourced a cheap exhaust manifold, so that means I can bolt that one as well. Okay. I know what this is. This is from my good friend Tony in the UK. VR6 ABS pump with the anti-slip. So that's going to be done in the open air as well. There's one more box in here. Ali TT 312 caliper and carrier. This is also for the Bon Jovi. It's going to be part of the upgrade, the bigger brakes as well. And there's one more box behind me. I've only ordered one thing, so at least I know what's in here. And I've actually got to be careful not to cut what's inside. Can you tell what it is yet? A little bit dirty. They could do with a good clean. But they look in pretty good condition. I'm very happy with these. Color concepts, 3-door door cards with speaker and tweeter in the back as well. Pretty cool. It's hard work. Second one, again that looks really nice, it's in really good condition, needs a bit of a clean. Very happy with these, they're going to look good in the car. This set came from the UK, so the right side is the driver's side. So if the driver's side looks like this, I'm sure the passenger side is going to look even better. I have Yeah, it looks good. Dirty. Got a bit of storage marks, got a bit of cream. We'll fix that leather out, make it soft, make it shrink a little bit. No, I'm really happy. It looked really good. So welcome to my first and probably last unpacking video. So can you tell what colour the seats are going to be and the rest of the interior? It's going to be blue, so it's going to be blue on the outside, blue on the inside. And now that I've got the door cards and the motors, that means I can carry on with the boring task of wiring up the doors, putting the window regulators in, and putting the door cards in, and actually finishing the front doors. I can also put the rear door cards on. So hopefully now you can start to see the direction of where the plans I had to take this car, the vision I had with the open air, colour concepts. Is my thinking. You know, if VW made a colour concept, open air, GTD, 200 horsepower, this is what it would look like. I think if VW were making a car, the Mark III again today, with ABS, with bigger brakes, 5100. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. Subscribe, ding-a-ling-a-ling, ring the bell.